Plan nyo ba pumunta sa Macau? I just want to share our itinerary one-day tour from Yaumate Exit A2. Just ride A21 City Flyer bus going to SZMB Port. When we arrive at the immigration, just present HK ID at bumili ng ticket for 65. We use Octopus card to pay. Sumakay na kami sa bus going to Macau Port. Ideally, umupo sa second deck front seat for taking videos and photos for overlooking. Kakamanghanga naman ang SZMB under tunnel bridge, longest open sea crossing from Hong Kong, and it take only 40 minutes ang biyahe from Hong Kong and Macau Port. Pagdating namin ng Macau, immigration for checking. Pagkatapos sumakay na kami ng bus 102X, we visit first Grand Lisboa, second Saint Dominic. Luckily, sobrang daming tao. Nagkataon yung pagpunta namin, it's Chinese holiday. Then, Senado Square, namimigay sila ng free taste jerky at marami pa. Tiyak mabubusog at mapapabili ka ng pampasalubong, depende sa budget mo. Habang naglalakad, matatanaw. Lumipat na kami sa next destination. In our itinerary, we ride 21A bus, 6 Mapit Pamasahe, and exact amount dahil hindi sila nagsusukli, so we will ride going to Londoner's Parisian Venetian. Halos magkalapit lang sila lahat, kaya sinulit na namin ang one-day tour. Hindi kami makapag-overnight taking pictures and videos dahil may curfew ang day off namin. Kailangan naming umuwi. Hope you get some tips for visiting.